everybody, welcome back to Daily Day Trades YouTube. If you don't know what we do here, essentially I post a watch list every single day, Monday through Thursday, and then I go over which stocks I've traded from that watch list and go over why I traded them, what I plan on doing with them, and then swing trades that I'm planning on doing in the following days. So it is compounding interest with information. Pretty much the best thing ever. If you want to, subscribe down below. Also, all of these trades are posted live on dailydaytrades.money, which is also in a link below in the description. Okay, so we're going to go through what we did today. It was not a very exciting day just because of the low volume on these low float stocks. It just wasn't there. But I will tell you, first things first, 100% day trade on SCKT. So entered here, and I'll explain this. We entered here because you see this little thing here called a VWAP. We're tracing it the whole time, right? And then tries to break it, almost gets denied, and then really breaks it here. And the volume really wasn't even that good, but it was worth a gamble to like start a position, set a tight stop loss, which on the website I did say tight stop loss. And then as you can see, the volume really picked up here and pushed it 100% up in about 45 minutes. So that was really, really awesome to start the day. I did not expect that. Also, I talked about TRCH and SOS a couple of videos ago. I have since sold them, and they both went up over 50% today. So I hope someone else bought that and wasn't an idiot when they were making their decisions with their money. Yeah. CCIV. This is a crazy one today. It halted here, went down, halted again, kind of screwed around here. And essentially what I did was I had a market order open, and after this halt going down, I knew there was going to be a ton of movement in this area and this candle right here. And so what I did was essentially let it find a bottom, let it go up a little bit more, and then I picked it up at like 46.68, somewhere around here, which I think was a pretty much perfect entry. I wish I saw the shares that I had earlier. They were up 40%. I think my average was like $22, but it just wasn't moving. But obviously it's moving now. We're back in. I think that's up 12, 15%, something like that. It's not bad. MRIN, this one is kind of like a 50-50 play. And 50-50 doesn't necessarily mean what you think, because my plan is basically to get 20% on most of the shares. And then the stop loss would be at 10%, so my risk reward is 2. That's not very good. I typically go for more than that. But the daily chart makes no sense. It's just a bunch of freaking spikes and drops and spikes and drops. So basically what I did was try to get a good average, which I really didn't succeed on very well, because mine is up here at 292. And yeah, and then I'm just going to hope for a spike to take profits and kind of just do that as a fully technical trade. And that'll be one to watch tomorrow for sure. GLBS. This is one to watch tomorrow as well. Look at this volume spike. You've got a big drop, huge recovery, nice reversal, but then you go right back into this resistance zone where it has been before. So the question is, if it breaks that, what happens? And I think that would mean it would go pretty well up that way. So that's definitely going to be one I'm watching tomorrow. Keep an eye on that, and I'll give an update tomorrow in the YouTube video. Please subscribe, like the video, comment on the video, do something with the video. And then the penny stocks. My penny play of the day has been going pretty well. Actually, wait, check this out. I don't know if you can see this. This is the percent gain I woke up to on my penny stock account today. 78, 58, 15, 12, 12, 26. Overall, 28. Absurd. So yeah, the penny play of the day is going very, very well. that will continue to be a thing on dailydaytrades.money. Once again, links in the bio. Today's penny play of the day was Max D, which the daily chart is sketchy as hell, but we picked it up anyways because no risk, no reward. And I picked it up around here, and that was a really good entry. I felt really good about it. Ended up getting about 30% by the time it got to this peak and didn't sell. It's now back down, and I think I'm actually down like 10% on this, which is fine. I still feel really good about it. I think there will be a big enough spike for me to be able to make that free, and then just hold those free shares and hope for a big win. BRLO, I averaged down on this today. My position was only like $1,200 or something because, it's pretty sketchy. But once it got down around here, I swear I actually bought it like here. And I did not know that was going to be the recovery phase, but that was a pretty good play. And I'll definitely be watching that tomorrow. WDLF, this annoyed me. It was up crazy, and it just trailed off the whole day. But really, really, really awesome momentum going into tomorrow. This is definitely one to watch going into to Wednesday. I was gonna say Tuesday, but we didn't have the market open. And XLE, I sold my calls Friday. That's not looking smart. And yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. MJNA. The last video, I do like a little review on this. You see this, and then the solid recovery tries to push up, kind of gets shot down, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. And that's about it. Once again, subscribe to the channel if you want to see the watch lists every day and the trades that were made and why. If you want to see the trades live, the link is down there for my website. Feel free to join. We are very welcoming. And outro song.